Welcome to our video on how to effectively manage and maintain your all-in-one interactive flat panel. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of proper care and management of your interactive flat panel to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. First and foremost, let's talk about cleaning your interactive flat panel. It is essential to keep the screen clean and free of dust, fingerprints, and smudges. To clean the screen, use a soft, lint-free cloth and a gentle cleaning solution specifically designed for screens. Be sure to turn off the panel before cleaning and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the screen. Next, let's discuss software updates. Just like any other device, your interactive flat panel needs regular software updates to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Make sure to check for updates regularly and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installing them. This will help ensure that your panel stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. Another critical aspect of managing your interactive flat panel is proper calibration. Calibration ensures that your touch inputs are accurate and responsive. Check the user manual for instructions on how to calibrate your specific panel model. Remember to recalibrate the panel if it starts to become unresponsive or if you notice any inaccuracies in touch input. Lastly, let's talk about power management. To conserve energy and prolong the life of your interactive flat panel, make use of its power-saving features, such as sleep mode or automatic shut-off. Adjust the settings according to your needs and preferences, and always remember to turn off the panel when it's not in use. In conclusion, proper management and maintenance of your all-in-one interactive flat panel are crucial for its longevity and performance. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your panel remains an effective and valuable tool for your presentations, meetings, and collaborations. Thank you for watching, and happy managing!